part 6, and I'm hoping this is the last of the ones that need to be done. So without further ado, let's get started and I'll show you where I'm at. Alright, as you can see, I put some shingles on the porch roof, and I also had stuck a base underneath here, which the glue's still drying on the base, or I'd pick it up and show you that I cut a hole in the bottom so that I can get up through the bottom of the structure to light it, whatever I need to get in there for. Alright, I did some readjusting of the shadow box, and I have my reason for that is that I'm probably just going to light the one room downstairs, which will be the front room, which will be your living room. Alright, which will be that room right there. So I didn't really care how it was going to do on the upstairs, because the upstairs is going to be just dark anyhow. So that's one of the things I did. I did use some pan pastels on the shingles. Some mistakes that I made. Okay, you see the pencil marks? Yeah, they're there, but they're not as noticeable with the thing. But when you're making your shingles, flip them over so you don't see the pencil marks. On the roof itself, you see, I got sloppy with the glue. But what that does, to me at least anyhow, I think it kind of gives the roof a look like, okay, it's been patched. That's tar. Again, you can see the pencil marks, and no matter how much I pan pastel it, unless I'd paint the whole thing, you're going to see the pencil marks. But you can see I heavily weathered the roof. Oh, and I also put a chimney on, since you've seen it last. Yeah, that was an experience. Found a chimney. It was an old Waters chimney left over from the thing, and I made a little doodad on the bottom, and then I ended up messing it. Got messed up, and you had to cut the bottom. So yeah, if you make out what I just said. But anyhow, it's coming together. The reason I cut that was now my roof don't want to fit on right. I got it backwards for one. Chimney's supposed to be in the back, and it spread like apart, and so now I'm probably gonna have to glue the roof down, which I didn't really want to do, but I'm gonna glue it down so it'll look alright. But you're getting a general idea way it's going to look. And I put this down on a base, and there's a reason for it, and what you're going to see here coming up. Yep, we're coming along. It ain't gonna be long. This baby will be sitting on the layout, which that's coming soon too, is a layout update. So here we go. All right, you can see that I spent a whole lot of time doing this. I wanted to figure out how to put in a cellar door, outside cellar door, and I found from Titchy Train Group, I have a kit where you can make little crates. Anyhow, I took the top off of one of them little crates to make the door. Just experimented with the sides. It might be a little bit steep, but you know what? I spent more time on this than I needed to. So I'm going to let the glue dry, and then I'm going to paint it up, weather it a little bit, and call it done on that. The roof, I'm still having a little problems with the roof, gluing it down. As you can see, I don't know what happened. It was fitting perfect, and then all of a sudden now, one side, it ain't the same same angle anymore. I think when I put this on, I changed it. And so what I did is I glued down this side, and I'm going to let that glue set up really good. Then I'm going to glue this side and try to hold it down, and I might use some super glue or something that's quick set on this side, and we'll see what comes out of it. So I'll be back when I got some more. Alright, well, I got the cellar door in place. I see some white paint. I look at the camera. I made a sidewalk for the front, and let me turn this around, get some light there, and I made a stoop bar for where I come out the back door. I think you can see where I'm going with this. No, I didn't get the roof fixed yet. Still working on that. Alright. Just kind of got to the point where I'm like, so, alrighty, back when I got some more. I think it's looking not bad. And I can see the end of the light at the end of the tunnel. If I can just get this to stay down. I'm going to have to find something, see if I can find something heavy to put on it till the glue sets up. I guess that's what I'm going to have to do. Maybe use some super glue, maybe. Huh? Back. Mistakes. Look there. I got the roof fixed. Thing over here. Yep. I'm gonna tell you, just for that roof, I think I used more glue than I used on the whole project. A combination of this, combination of this, and a combination of this. This stuff's wicked. You gotta watch, you glue your fingers together with that. This here, I always thought crazy glue was the good stuff. Remember, commercials where the guy glued his helmet and he's hanging from the ceiling? Yeah, don't believe that. But I finally got it. Finally got it. As you can see, I also painted the base and got everything in place. Sloppy, but that's okay, because it'll just look dirty when I'm all done. Alright. And I think the next time you see it, you're going to see the finished product. Boy, I didn't think I'd ever have. I have to put a piece of trim here, and a piece of trim here, and I'm gonna actually do a little scenery work too. So, and I was gonna put a rail across here, but now I don't think I'm going to. I'm just gonna leave it like that, and the story will be, well, I got a story to go along with this too, so you guys will get a treat here on the final segment of episode 6. Alright, talk to you later. Alright, are you ready? Are you ready? I'm pretty tickled with the way this turned out. So, get ready, here it is. Little bit different, huh? Holy smokes. But this is the home, and I'm going to introduce you to the home of Zachariah and Emma Shaner, who works for the W.R. Kaufman Logging Company. And he did work for the mining company, which went out of business back in the 40s, and been working for the logging company ever since. But he bought the house off of the mining company because it was a company house that he rented as long as he lived there. And Zachariah and Emma have been living there ever since. They got 10 kids. Oh yeah, 10. You thought the Waltons had something going. Oh yeah, but check it out. Them kids got a pathway right to the back door there, so they can sneak in, steal some of Emma's fresh baked apple pie. It's a wonder we don't smell it there at the back window there, sitting there cooling. Not bad, huh? Not bad at all. Oh man, a lot of hard work. It goes to show you, even an old crippled fat man can do scratch building if you really put your mind to it. So if I can do it, you can do it. Okay, I hope that filmed all right, but my camera just quit right at the end there. How's that? But hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and may the good Lord bless you and keep you and enrich your life as it has mine and the Shaners. Zachariah and Emma. There you go. One more look. Just spin it around there. I think that turned out pretty good. Oh, hot dog. Thanks again for watching.